In the world of data, where do you draw the line between governance, privacy, and security? This trio of topics often intermingle, yet they each serve distinct critical roles in the realm of data management. Imagine a bustling city. It's buzzing with activity. People moving to and fro, cars zipping down the streets. This city, in many ways, is like the data within an organization. Now think of data governance as the city council. They establish the rules and regulations, ensuring the city operates smoothly and effectively. Their role is to define the who, what, when, where, and why of data. They manage data assets, ensuring that data is accurate, reliable, and easy to access for those who need it. On the other hand, data privacy is like the citizens' right to their own homes. It's the assurance that their personal spaces won't be invaded, that their secrets are safe. In data terms, it's about protecting the rights of individuals regarding their personal information. It ensures that data is collected, stored, and used in ways that comply with each individual's privacy preferences and relevant laws and regulations. Then we have data security, the city's police force, if you will. It's all about safeguarding the city, or in this case, data, from threats. This involves implementing measures to prevent unauthorized access, data corruption, or theft. It's the protective shield that keeps the data safe from cybercriminals and other malicious entities. While these three elements, data governance, data privacy, and data security, have their own unique roles, they are interconnected. Good data governance policies can help enhance data privacy and security. At the same time, robust data security measures are crucial to protect the privacy of individuals' data. So, to sum up, data governance is about managing data effectively. Data privacy is about respecting and protecting individuals' rights to their data. And data security is about protecting data from threats. Each plays a crucial role in the overall management of data, and together they form a powerful trio that ensures the data is well managed, secure, and respects individual privacy. And there you have it, an exploration into the interconnected world of data governance, data privacy, and data security. Three distinct fields, yet intertwined in ways that allow for effective, secure, and respectful data management.